Hello, my name is Chani and I will introduce you about how to use this keypad. This keypad has 16 switches on here. So if I turn this light on, and as you can see, we can see the layout inside the pin. So left 4, as you can see, left 4 pins are for this row pin, and right, these 4 pins are for column. So left 4 pins for row and right 4 pins are for column. So there is only 8 pin that I talked, so there is no ground or no VCC. So I will turn in half, and these 4 white pin, as you can see on here, there is white pins, these 4. So these are for column that I talked before. So I will write a column, and as same like column, there is 4 black pin on the left side. So I will just write row, R-O-W, yes, row, and I will connect this column and row on. I will start to plug on Arduino with digital 2 to digital 9. So I will just put 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. And these all pins are for digital. These 9, D8, D7. So it is really easy to connect with Arduino. So just I will connect these pins to digital 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's all. So let's connect it. I will put up this whiteboard, and then I put Arduino here, so you can connect just like this. And let's connect it. So first I will put this first column on digital 2 and second column on here, yes, and digital 3, and third column on fourth column on pin 5, and then first row on digital 6, and second row for digital 7, and third row for digital 8, and lastly fourth row for digital 9. And yes, that's all, and I will connect my Arduino to my computer. Yes, and that's all. So before starting the program, let's find the library. So you can find in your library manager and type keypad and scroll down a little bit, and keypad from Mark Stanley and Alexander Breivik. You have to install this in your library manager, and after installing this, you can start the program. there is header file, and I defined it rows. Yeah, because we have 16 keypads for column for 4 pin and row for 4 pins, so I wrote like that. And we declared the array, yeah, 2-dimension array for rows and columns. So it is row, yeah, row 0 index, first index, second index, third number 3 index, and yeah, there is the numbers in your keypad, as you can see in here, 1 2 3 and A B C D and these numbers. And let's keep going. There is a row pin. Yeah, we define the array for, because row starts like row pins are goes like this, so you can goes up, so because of this you have to go down for 9 8 7 6. So, and as same as this column pins are goes like D and like C 9 8 7, so you have to write because it goes left, you have to write it right. And then yeah, we declare object of keypad and write keypad, and we wrote, yeah, these keys are here, yeah, this is keys, and if you have to declare it before. And then row pins, it's the address of the array, and it is same, and rows we wrote on here, yeah, 4 4. And then in setup we begin our serial, and then we keep starting, get pad key, keypad get key, yeah, keypad get key function, and it will send the key from this keypad, and then I wrote the key, yeah, if key is available, yeah, we can serial print the key. So I will show you a serial monitor. Here it is, and I will just type 1 on here, and it shows the 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and A B C D and characters. Yes, and it all works, like 1 0 1 0 or 4 5 6. So yes, it works, and that's all. And thank you for watching.